This is why I'm making this video. I'm going to share with you exactly how I made over $3,900, almost $4,000 with one book on Amazon in 1 month. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about another very important topic. Within the frame of last year until this year, I've got a lot of people asking me about Amazon KDP, and to be very frank with you, I really know about freelancing and maybe other online businesses, but I have not really tried Amazon KDP, and I wasn't into it. Me getting questions consistently about this business model means there are people out there promoting it either through courses or through blogging or telling other people about this business model on social media. So like I've been getting these questions consistently, and I'm like, what's this business model all about? And remember, one of the core tenets of this channel is that I learn about new online businesses. I try them out, and I come back to you and I tell you exactly what I think about this business model and whether it is sustainable or not. So this is exactly what I have done with Amazon KDP. Hello, my name is Teresa. If this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, please ensure to click on the subscription button below. Turn on your notification icon so that you get notified each time I publish a new video. And if you've been watching my videos, please ensure to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to share with you exactly what I think about Amazon KDP and whether you should do it or not. Alright, so this video is going to be really important for you if you're interested in starting that business. Okay, let's get to the story. So within the frame of last year, like I said, a lot of people were asking me about Amazon KDP. What do you think about this business model? How do I get started? I had really no idea about what Amazon KDP really entailed, right? So I've heard about it in the past. In passing, I didn't really take into consideration that this is something I could do too. So when I started getting those messages and maybe people asking about it, is this something reliable? Can I do it and make money online too? So I decided to try it out. Around November, December last year, that's November 2022, I decided to take a leap into Amazon KDP. So I really went on the Amazon KDP platform and watched videos on YouTube and decided to try it out and see if this actually works. So what happened? I went into the Amazon KDP platform and I learned that you have to write a book and publish on Amazon, and buyers on Amazon will start buying your book. I thought that sounds simple because I had a writing background. I used to do ghostwriting. I used to do SEO blog content writing, and I've had a little bit of, since my early days, I had a flair for writing. I used to write novels. So I'm like, why not try it? So I went to Amazon, and the things I learned from YouTube videos I watched is like, you're going to either choose whether you're going to do fiction or non-fiction. So fiction is when you're writing storybooks, like, stories, right? That's fiction. But non-fiction is when you're not writing storybooks, you're writing real content. Like maybe I could decide to write on dieting or exercise or computers or like things like that are non-fictional books. So what did I do? I chose non-fiction because that's where my strength lied. So for my first Amazon KDP account, I wrote cookbooks, diets, and a lot of diet plans, and did a lot of keyword research and came up with a lot of diet plans. So what happened after I created the account, I wrote about 2 or 3 books then, and then I published them. It was a book I wrote like chaply, and because I had no time, I was trying to test out something. I published the book and then I waited, because when you publish a book, Amazon is like Google. When you publish something, you have to give it time for the algorithm to pick it up. So I waited, and after like a month or so, I started getting like few sales here and there. For that first Amazon KDP account, I made like $20. So that was a testing phase for me, and making $20 in few months, it is something that works. But how? What do you need to do? What do I need to do to make more money? So while I was thinking about that, I got hit by Amazon. Amazon terminated my account I don't know the reason, but it seems because I didn't have all the information and I didn't know everything about the platform. I was just starting out. I got banned. It was really painful because once you get banned on Amazon, all the money you've made so far, cancelled. So I didn't get even a penny. So all the time I wasted in writing the book, the research I did, everything lost. So it was really like a learning moment for me. So I'm like, that was really painful. But at least we've tested the business model and I've seen that it could work. I decided to go back to the drawing board, read up about Amazon KDP, things you're not supposed to do, blah blah blah, a lot of things. I did a whole lot of research and I tried to understand the platform. I watched a lot of YouTube videos on the Amazon KDP business model, and by March of 2023 I decided to create another Amazon account. I decided I've learned a lot, so I'm going to just write one book and test it out with everything I've learned: how to do proper keyword research, how to format your books, how to design your book covers, and everything. I'm going to share with you exactly the progression of how this whole thing will happen. Of course, it didn't happen overnight, but eventually it did. Really? Like when I saw my dashboard, because I published the book and then I left. And I'm like, this is just a test for me, whether it works or not. I don't care. So I published the book and I left. But then I came back in June and I saw $100 and something. This is a book I wrote in 2 or 3 weeks, making $100 and something in 1 month. And what I thought in my head is like, if I have this kind of books like 10 on my Amazon account, that's like $1,000 passively. I wasn't doing any promotions. I wasn't running ads. I wasn't marketing the books. I wasn't trying to sell. I just left it there. So Amazon was doing the whole lifting for me. I didn't do nothing. I just published the book and left. So I was so happy for that June result. And then I came back in July. And that was when the magic happened. Whoa, prepare for this. Prepare for it. So as you can see on my screen right now, I'm about to show you the results from June to July. All right. So as you're seeing on my screen, this is the Amazon KDP dashboard, and just wait for the magic to happen. I'm trying to see. Yeah. So that is exactly how much we made in July of 2023. $3,912.44 with one book on Amazon. One book published as Kindle and a paperback version. That's what you're seeing today. So with just one book, we made almost $4,000 with one book. So this is what I needed, the evidence I needed to know that this business model is something that works. I'm not telling you I know it does. That Amazon results and the things I was able to achieve on Amazon within these few months of being on Amazon. I'm not claiming to be an expert in this business because I have been there for like only about some months and I've made this whole lot of money. Some people might say it's beginner's luck, but remember, in the first account I had, I was banned and I only made like $20, and I went back to the drawing board to learn the basics of the business. Now, one thing I've noticed so far about teaching people all about making money online is that people tend to think that because they say it's make money online is easy, they don't have to put in any work. That's a lie. You really have to work. Seriously, you have to do something. There are days that I'm on my computer 24 hours a day. Like I'm on my computer morning till night doing things, a whole lot of things to do. It's not like when they say online business, you're just going to go do one thing and then you're going to start making money online. Remember I told you the process. The process was I heard about this business model. I went to watch some videos on YouTube. Then I went to try it out and I found that it wasn't what I thought at all. So I got banned and then I went back to the drawing board and here we are today. So my verdict on Amazon KDP is this. It's a profitable business because I bought courses also. I bought like one course. I'm going to put the link to that course in this video. So you go down. maybe check it out and see if it's something you're interested in. If you want to get started on Amazon KDP, and it's really cheap, it's not a lot of money, I'm going to put the link to that course right here, so you just go and check it out. So I bought that course, and in that group where I am, I see a lot of people, a lot of testimonials, people making money on Amazon, $500, $600, $300, writing books on Amazon. So I think in my wisdom that this is a profitable business. And I'm not telling you this, I'm not selling any course. I'm just recommending a course that I bought if you are interested. I think Amazon KDP is a pretty good business. You have to really put in the effort, and you have to really learn how and what to do. That's the video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment for me in the comment section telling me exactly what you learned in this video and what you think I should talk about next when it comes to Amazon KDP. I'm really interested in knowing what you think and what we are going to talk about next in the Amazon KDP business. Please leave a comment for me in the comment section. Endeavor to do that. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.